Hi, Stuart Abernethy, X-Yachts GB. I'm just taking the chance to show you around the X-Yachts Open House Weekend 24 hours before it starts. The show is open on the 8th and 9th of November, and this is what will be on display. So we have the rather muscular, angular XR41, the 40, a 43, and a 49 on display. So let me give you a quick spin around. You'll either see what you'll be coming to see this weekend, or see what you're missing out on and need to come to next time. So let me show you, first of all, the 49. This is quite a nice version, Mark II. So it's had a nice little facelift, high spec. What's interesting about this one is that she's got a slightly different interior with the extended aft heads. So when you're in here, you have a slightly different chart table arrangement, but you have a really good aft heads with a dedicated showering area. So that's quite a nice option to see. Maybe not for everyone, but it's good to see it. Otherwise, it's the same X-Yacht beautiful interior that you come to expect. Yeah, nice boat. Let's see the next one. And coming down through the range to the ever popular 43. Always a popular one in the UK and Ireland. This is the Mark II as well. Yeah, nice boat. A few different options on it. And then sister ship down to the 40. She's a 2-cabin version. That's the sort of usual layout for these boats. Nice boat as well. High spec. And the monster, XR41. This is when you really see the difference between the boats. She is a very different design. And then working way downstairs, we've got the X Living range on display. Everything to make your X-Yacht look really pretty inside and comfortable, along with all the clothing, X-Yacht clothing by Musto. And then we have our suppliers here all weekend as well. Things like Furleboom, they're a really popular product that most X-Yachts have now above 40 something feet. This is really nice because it's a cutout version, so you can really see how this system works. Great system, integral cover nowadays. It's fun. The rest of the suppliers like John Mast, Sleipner, Elfstrom, all the rest. Then into this area where the sort of pre-owned boats as well. So we've got the XC47, fantastic machine. And we've got a pre-owned 40, second 40, and the 43 at the very end there. So yeah, please let me know if you're going to come along last minute or arrange a trip for next time. Thank you, cheers, bye.